Meaning of double booking.
Double booking.
Double booking.
Double booking.
Double booking. Double booking refers to the act of scheduling two different appointments or events at the same time. This often results in conflicts and can cause significant inconvenience or even financial loss. For example, a person who double books their schedule might accidentally schedule two important meetings at the same time, forcing them to choose which one to attend or causing them to be late for one or both meetings. Double booking can also occur in the hospitality industry, where it can lead to overbooking of hotel rooms or restaurants, leading to customer dissatisfaction and potential financial losses.